Are you looking for a nutritious meal that supports diabetes management? Introducing Moong Dal Khichdi. This traditional Indian dish is perfect for diabetics. It's easy to prepare, delicious, and packed with protein. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need moong dal, rice, turmeric, ginger, and veggies. Is your mouth watering yet? Start by rinsing the moong dal and rice together. This is a key step. Rinsing removes excess starch and reduces sugar content. Next, soak the mixture for about 30 minutes. Soaking softens the grains, making them easier to digest. Prepare your vegetables. Spinach, carrots, and peas work wonderfully. Chopping them adds flavor and nutrition. Now, heat a pressure cooker. Add a tablespoon of oil and sauté ginger. This enhances fragrance and health benefits. Add the soaked dal and rice to the cooker. Then, sprinkle in turmeric. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporate your vegetables now. Stir them in for a colorful mix. Pour in enough water for cooking. A ratio of 1 to 3 works well. You want a creamy texture that's diabetic-friendly. Seal the cooker and cook on medium heat. Wait for about 3-4 whistles or until everything is tender. Once cooked, give it a good stir. See that creamy goodness? It's packed with nutrients and flavor. Serve hot, garnished with fresh coriander. This not only adds taste but also vitamins. Let's summarize. Moong Dal Khichdi is high in protein. It's low in glycemic index and easy to digest. Perfect for diabetes management. Try this recipe today. Your body will love you for it. For more healthy recipes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Join our community for more amazing cooking ideas.